Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So what are we going to learn today? Something very practical about Google Chrome extensions. Few extensions that I am going to show are going to make you very productive, whether it is automatic writing of emails or search or any other thing. These extensions are going to save you a lot of time. So what are we waiting for? Let's go.
Hello everyone, I welcome you all once again, and today's video is part 2 of the series AI websites, where we bring for you hand-picked AI websites and Google Chrome extension that can help you in your productivity at your daily works. So I am going to show you 2 to 3 Google Chrome extensions, right from installations to everything. The process to install the Google Chrome extensions is same, no matter whichever extension do we use. And purposefully I am showing you only 2 to 3 so that the video remains actionable, and right from the point after you watch this video you can use them. Okay, so not taking much time, simple. First one is my favorite, Unhook extension. Okay, so we can see Chrome Web Store. Here you can find all the extensions. So I will simply click on it, and this way you will see and add to Chrome. Within a fraction of a seconds it gets installed. Okay, it's saying hi, very good. We'll go to home. The extension is installed. How you can check? You can see this button over here. You would simply click here and unhook. If you have many extensions, you can pin some of them to the taskbar itself. Okay, so now what it does is simple. I'll go to YouTube. You can see my videos. Okay, so let's try with this. And as soon as I'm clicking this, you can see so many extra videos, suggestions, everything. There is so much clutter. So what I can do is absolutely free extension. Simply click here, and here I will hide the sidebar. Okay, and as soon as I refresh, after I have clicked hidden the sidebar, you can see that everything is gone. So this way I can focus on my video, and you can also focus on my video, so that you do not have any disturbance. Okay, similarly there are many other options, but this is the one that I have been using, where you can hide the sidebar, you can hide the comments, hide shorts, whatever extra things, if your end screen cards and many other options, which are very useful when you really want to learn something and want to stay focused. So extra things can be hidden. So the second extension, when you have many tabs like me and you are working on multiple projects, sometimes you tend to get confused which is which. For this I have another extension, don't worry. The name is simple, onetab extension. And again we will go to this, and again we will install it and add extension, and within a fraction of second it will get installed. At the same way you can see here, and here I will pin it. If you want to unpin, you can unpin also. You can uninstall it very easily, remove from Chrome. Okay, so what one tab does is very useful when you have a lot of tabs and you have opened Gmail and many other things, right? So what you can do is simple, with one click and allow, everything will come under one web page and you can work upon nicely. So whenever you want any tab, suppose we have the Unhook thing or any other thing, suppose I want to open Gmail, so what I can do is simply click on Gmail and your Gmail will again pop up, right? If you want to restore all, there is a restore all button as well, right? So this way you can easily sum up all your tabs in one place when you have a lot of tabs open. Okay, one note of caution is very simple, that it will refresh the tabs. So suppose even in our Gmail or YouTube or anything, you can see that if you are seeing half a video, it will restart, because when you do this step it will refresh the web pages. Okay, the next extension is really magical, and I cannot imagine myself now working without that. I have been using for almost 6 months now, and every day I've been using it. So very simple, the name is also magical. So we'll simply type get magical Chrome extension. Okay, the first one, as we have been doing for Chrome extension, add to Chrome, and this extension will ask you for Gmail login because it is going to store many things for you. It is like an account, because if it does not store the information at one particular place, then how will you retrieve the information? So for this we are skipping that registration part, which is very simple. After you click add an extension, it will ask the Gmail ID, name, and very few simple questions, one or two, one time process. Okay, so I will simply click on add extension, and you will see that when you have done everything, simple login process, then you can click here. And so when you have done the login and everything, you can see it is a one-time process, not a big issue. It will get installed, 11.6 MB, not a big thing. So simple, you will get something like this. Okay, so what we can do is create templates. Suppose, very simple, I have to send my address or bank account or any other thing repeatedly to many persons, and I have to keep typing them or keep saving them at one place. So what you can do is save here. Suppose I have my bank here, HDFC. Okay, HDFC bank account number 123456789. Okay, you can know it is a dummy account number. Okay, and maybe fancy bazaar. Okay, so here what I can do is just start bank. Why I have used a special character? Because normally if you type bank, it may mean your normal sentence. So star bank or maybe underscore bank, @ bank, when you are using this type of triggers, then specifically it will mean you are calling it. Okay, so HDFC bank account number, this fancy bazaar, suppose save. Similarly, maybe you can also say one, maybe address. Okay, so I'll type again, create star ADDR, and maybe Guwahati, Assam, India. Okay, whatever address you want, and save. So now whenever you are using Google Chrome, maybe from Gmail, maybe web WhatsApp, or any other thing, suppose I have this Gmail open. Okay, let me see where is Gmail. I don't know where is Gmail. So we will open our Gmail. Okay, not a big issue. Gmail, and I have saved 2. You can save 200, not an issue. For a day there is limit, but if you do some referral and all, it gives you 1 month bonus. Okay, so simply I will type on compose, and simply what you can do is star ADDR, and you can see the words got replaced. Okay, similarly star bank, if I type HDFC bank, also in web WhatsApp or anywhere there where you use it in Google Chrome, then this is going to work. This is a very simple example. You can keep mails and everything. Suppose there is a holiday mail or reminder, payment reminder mail, so you don't have to type anything. And the best part is, I will show you. Suppose, let us bring it back. You simply have to click here, and here it comes inside, and templates, you can see we have made 2. The best part is that suppose we are sending payment reminder, so the name is not fixed. So this way you can skip the name. Hi first name, please send us the payment. Okay, payment, as we have been waiting for a long time to clear the dues. Simple. Okay, star PAY, and save. So this way what we can do is, suppose I delete this and start pay, insert first name. So this is going to ask, suppose we are sending message to Lokesh, and insert. So hi Lokesh, please send this. So this can make your work very easy, and it is very simple to install, very actionable video. So that's all friends. As much as it is easy to install an extension, it is also easy to remove them. Simple, you can simply click here and remove from Chrome, and whichever extensions you are using, you can pin them also. I have already told, unpin them, whatever you can do with them. So that's all for this video friends. I hope you got some value out of it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed. and let me know in the comments which one was your favorite part today. See you in the next video.